Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to share the latest collection of lightweight gold, most beautiful and exclusive pearls, Shita hair designs and Rani hair designs along with the weight and price. In this video all our pearls, Shita hair designs and Rani hair designs is 22 carats and 21 carats gold. If you visiting my channel for the first time and if you like my collections, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.